Welcome to the deep dive. So you've been asking how to get really specific with AI content generation, and well, that's our focus today.
That's right.
We're looking at a pretty simple guide, really, on creating custom content prompts right inside a platform.
Yeah, it's about tailoring it, making it yours,
Yeah.
less generic, more precise.
Exactly. Taking it from, a basic tool to something really fine-tuned.
And the mission today is just to walk through those steps, break it down so you can see how straightforward it actually is to get that custom control.
Okay, sounds good. So, step one, where do we start if we want to master these prompts?
Right. First things first, you got to get to the control panel, essentially. You'll need to go into the settings menu.
Okay, settings, usually from the app's main screen.
Yeah, typically on the home screen, somewhere obvious.
Ah.
Once you're in settings, look for a specific section labeled Content Prompts.
Content prompts, got it.
And inside that section, there's the button you need. Look for Configure.
Configure. Okay, so that's like opening the hood, basically.
Exactly. That's your gateway to customizing things. Click that Configure button.
All right, settings, content prompts, configure. Seems simple enough. What's next? How do we make a prompt, ours?
Okay, step 2. This is where you actually start changing things. First, you just pick an existing prompt. Anyone will do, really.
Just as a starting point.
Yeah, just a template to modify. Once
Yeah.
you've selected one, you edit its name.
Ah, okay. So
Uh,
give it a name that actually reflects what I want it to do.
Precisely. If you wanted to draft email subject lines, you might rename it subject line generator or something clear like that.
Makes sense. And the guide stressed something important after renaming.
Oh, absolutely crucial. After typing the new name, you have to click the update button.
Update.
Don't forget
Uh-huh.
that. If you just rename it and click away, it probably won't save the name change. Update locks it in.
Good tip. Rename, then update.
Mm.
Okay, the label's sorted. Now how do we change the actual instructions, the prompt itself?
That's step 3. Redefining the prompt. And this isn't just a small edit. The source says, create a whole new prompt.
So scrap the old instructions entirely.
Pretty much. You're rewriting it from scratch so that the instructions, the actual prompt text, perfectly match the new name you just gave it.
Okay, so if I called it subject line generator, the prompt text needs to tell the AI how to generate good subject lines, right? Like tone, length, maybe keywords.
Exactly right. That connection between the name and the function needs to be crystal clear. That's how you ensure it does what you now expect.
Okay. Let me guess, there's another button involved.
Huh. You got it. One last click. After you've written your brand new prompt instructions,
Hit save.
hit save. That's the final step. It commits your changes, makes the whole new custom prompt live and ready to use immediately.
Okay, so let's recap the sequence quickly. Access configuration and settings.
Yep.
Rename an existing prompt. Click update.
Mm-hmm.
Then completely rewrite the prompt instructions to match the new name and click save.
That's it. 3 core steps. Configure, rename and update, redefine and save. Put you totally in control.
It seems surprisingly simple for that level of customization.
It is, isn't it? And that's the beauty. You don't need to navigate some super complex interface. You can quickly create very specific tools for different tasks.
Yeah, like one prompt for generating blog post ideas, another totally different one for, say, writing ad copy.
Exactly. That kind of tailored approach can really speed things up. You're not wrestling with a general prompt, hoping it understands your specific need this time.
It puts you firmly in the driver's seat, doesn't it? Much more direct.
It really does. And, this leads to a bigger thought, perhaps something for you to consider.
Yeah.
Well, think about how this ability to rapidly create, test, and refine these custom prompts could genuinely change your workflow. What tasks that currently take up a lot of time could suddenly become, well, much faster and more efficient with this kind of tailored AI help. It's about unlocking potential, really.